rescue. Introduction: A baby bird hops along the ground and its parents are nowhere in sight. What should you do if you find a baby bird that seems to be orphaned? What if you find a rabbit that seems unable to hop, or a raccoon that is walking strangely? Many people don't know what to do or not to do. They when they find wildlife that may endanger, but some people with special training know just what to do. They know to leave the raccoon alone because it is probably sick. They know whether they can help the rabbit and then return it to the wild. They can also look at the baby bird and know what care to give, if any. These people can teach you how to help too. Wildlife rehabil- rehabil- rehabilitators, people who help sick, injured, or orphaned wildlife are called rehabilitators or rehabbers. Re- Rehabilitate means to make healthy again. Wildlife rehabbers rescue wild animals and care for the animals that as they heal. After the animals recover or get better, rehabbers return them to the wild whenever possible. Wildlife rehabbers have special training in caring for, feeding, and housing wild animals. Many can treat wild animals for sicknesses and injuries too. They also know how to handle wildlife safely without hurting the animals or themselves. The work rehabbers is needed more often as people move into habitats where once only wild animals live. While lands are used for farming, houses and businesses are the home and food sources of wild animals are destroyed. As people move into wild area, people are more likely to be orphaned, injured or killed. People and their activities cause most wildlife injuries. Rescue: How do you know whether an animal needs to be rescued? You should always follow these two rules. 1. Do not touch the animal. And 2. Call adults right away. Adults can help by calling a wildlife rehabber who is trained in wildlife rescue. You can help by watching from a safe place to see where an animal hides so rescuers can quickly find it when they arrive. Putting a box or a laundry basket over small animals will protect it from other animals until help comes. Many baby animals are wrongly taken from their home when they aren't in danger. A young bird hopping on the ground may not be orphaned. They might just be learning how to fly. Baby birds often hop around as they practice moving before they fly. Their parents usually watch them from somewhere nearby, but you may not be able to see the parents. People sometimes kill baby rabbits, seals, and that aren't in trouble. It's normal for this baby to rest quietly on a beach or in the grass while their mothers eat nearby. Only people trained in the natural ways of these animals know whether the babies need human help. If they don't, taking them from their mother hurts their chances to survive. Many people wrongly believe that they are helping wild animals by taking them home. Just because you love animals doesn't mean you can take care of a wild animal. Much more training is needed to care for a wild animal than to care for dogs and cats. Besides, taking home wild animals is against the law. If you were injured in accident, would you just want ta- anyone taking you home and caring for you? No. You would want someone trained to help, such as a doctor or nurse. You will also want a clean place that has the right equipment and medicine to help you, like you. Wild animal reserves to get the best care. Rehabbers try to keep noise levels